Following the crisis of 1923 and Gustav Stresemann's efforts to save the German economy, his success led to consequently improvements in both the lives of German people and political stability within Germany. Consequently, culture in Germany flourished during this period, which is known as the Golden Years, the years of recovery between 1924 and 1929. In this task, you are going to look at 6 areas of Weimar culture: the arts, architecture, cinema, literature, theatre, and cabaret. In carrying out the data collection task and filling in these areas, what you're going to do is summarise the changes in each of the areas and then make an inference from that information about what culture in Weimar Germany was like. So you're going to need to think about ways in which you can describe the changes that were taking place in German culture. Prove it with information that's provided from the data you've been given, and then choose an example to back this up. Consequently, each of these 6 boxes could serve as flashcards for subsequent revision.